Welcome viewers, hope you are having a good time. Our today's video is about how to make this type of crochet flowers. It is so easy to make. You can use it in your handy items to decorate them, as you can make frames to use these type of flowers in different colors, as you can use it to make a bunch or bouquet of flowers. You can use it on your sweaters, cardigans or caps to give them fancy look. Okay, let's start. Firstly make a knot, then make chains of 33 stitches. You can use any type of yarn, cotton yarn, silk yarn or silk thread. I am using pink color plain wool. Now we will attach it on 6th stitch with double crochet. Then skip 2 chains and attach at 3rd stitch with double crochet. Then make 2 chains and attach at same stitch. Here we can see that there are triangular shapes making. Again skip 2 chains and attach at 3rd stitch with double crochet. Then make 2 chains and attach at same stitch with double crochet. We will continuously repeating this process at the end. In next row, firstly make 3 chains. Then make 1 double crochet at first space. Then make 4 more double crochet at same space. Then attach at next space with single crochet. Then make 6 double crochet at the next space. Then attach at next space with single crochet. This procedure will continuously repeating at the end of this row. We will work on these all triangles. Here we have this type of circular shape with small round petals. Now give it a flower shape to turn these petals round and round and make 4 whorls of flower. We have 10 petals from 33 chain stitches. If you want more bigger flower or number of whorls increase, you will have to increase the chain stitches at the start when we will make chain stitches. The pattern will be same as for bigger or smaller flower. It has been completed. Now you can attach it where you want to attach. Hope you like it. If you like my video, then share it to your friends and family and give your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.